How to connect your mobile YouTube to TV YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can connect mobile YouTube to TV. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through this video. In order to connect your the YouTube on your mobile to your TV YouTube, then here is what you can do. Simply open up YouTube first, the application on your mobile. At the top here, you can see search bell and cast icon. Tap on cast icon and tap on link with TV code. Now you want to open up your TV and open up the YouTube app on your TV device. Then you want to go to settings under YouTube and scroll down until you find the option that says link with TV code. There a TV code will appear. You want to enter in the TV code and tap on link and you'll be able to link. And this way you'll be able to connect your mobile YouTube to TV. Once you do so, you can cast from your mobile easily, or you can play anything from your YouTube on your mobile and it'll automatically be played on the TV as well. This is how you can connect mobile YouTube to TV. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.